Blue! Oh, bad choice. I'm sorry, dude.
Okay, you guys ready?
I don't even know what's in this one, honestly.
Welcome to another day on Everleigh Opens Toys. I'm Savannah, her mother, and I am going to be starting this video off today because I need to be hiding all of these gloves. So, we are doing a video today where it's don't choose the wrong glove slime challenge. Right? Is that
Yeah, Savannah's kind of like guessing because I'm the one who just, oh, hello.
just did it all.
Hello. Because I just did it all. Some of these gloves,
They have really gross stuff inside.
nasty things that you don't want in your slime. Oh, yeah. But first, we're gonna hide them, and she has to find them. And we're gonna time her. But first, we gotta hide them in a really good spot, so.
Okay, let's think. Let's think.
Okay, so here's the rules. You have 2 minutes to find all the gloves, okay? There's 9 gloves.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
2 minutes and 9 gloves. Okay.
On your marks? Oh. Okay, oh, you're getting a real timer out.
Yeah, we're gonna really try.
Okay,
You guys ready?
yep. On your marks. Get set, go! You already missed one. Oh. You better hurry. She's out of time to kiss her. So I only have one right now. We didn't put them in easy spots, dude. You gotta look, you gotta open things up. Oh, where do you cook food in? Like mac and cheese. 2, man, you gotta hurry it up, dude. You only got 2. Huh, let's check in this room. Are there any in here? Three, 4. Huh, why's that drawer open right there? That's weird. I don't know why. Oh, 5. So there's 4 more. 4 more. You got all of them in here. Oh, so she's just resting them there. You got 4 more. Oh, geez, she's pushing you out of the way. Huh. What about over here? Ooh, she found the fridge one. 6. There's 3 more. Huh, why don't you come back to where you started? Oh, you just ran right by that one. 7. Do you have to go pee? 8. There's 1 more.
Oh my god. I think you're gonna get them all.
Where's that last one? I don't even know where the last one is right now.
I do.
You do? Okay. Your mom knows. You have 25 more seconds. Oh, I know where it is. How'd she not find that one?
I don't know.
Oh, she got it, all 9, which means you get
have
to.
some time left.
You had 15 seconds. So you found all 9 gloves, but that means you have to use all 9 gloves.
Oh.
Oh. And we want you to use all 9 gloves.
I don't think there's any Orbeez though.
No, you don't know. I can't tell you.
All right, so we decided that it'd be a little bit more interesting if we picked 7 of the 9 gloves, leaving 2 out. Because it makes it more fun, like if we have to choose, you know?
Yeah.
So
You might not pick a good one or a
We might
bad.
not pick a good one. Or we might pick a really gross one.
I saw a really gross one right here.
Okay.
That looks good.
So Everleigh, I'll let you go first. You pick what's going on the slime first.
Okay, let's guess.
So I would say that you have to start off with regular glue. I would pour a bunch of just regular glue inside your bowl, Ev.
Okay.
So you kind of have like a foundation,
Okay, I could do it.
you know?
Okay.
That way you have something to mix it with, you know what I mean?
I'm going to pick this one.
Okay. So this is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna hold it, and I'm gonna cut.
Okay, the moment of truth.
Oh my god, oh my gosh.
What is it?
I hope it doesn't.
Oh!
Oh, what is this?
Do you want to take a guess at what that is?
Jelly?
Oh, look how gross it is when she
Oh.
does this.
It looks like you're cutting someone's hand.
I know, it's kind of gross.
It's kind of scary. So that is strawberry syrup.
Oh.
Your very first thing was a whole bunch of strawberry syrup. So I looked like you're gonna have red slime, right?
Red
Yeah,
slime.
but I actually like red, so that's good.
All right, I will dispose of that.
Do you want me to pick or do you want to pick?
Can you put those nasty, scary red scissors down? That's kind of scaring me. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna pick, okay, let me just feel them.
No,
you
no
can't
feeling.
feel,
You can't feel. That's cheating. You just have to look at and pick.
Okay.
That one for sure. Okay. What do you think's in it?
I don't know. I think glue. More glue.
Yep, it's just regular glue.
Just regular glue.
Regular clear glue. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you wanted. Squeeze it out.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's all up in those last two fingers too.
Here, I'll do it.
I know my next victim.
Your next victim?
I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay.
The other pink one?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Because I know this is
well
one of the
let's take
one.
guesses. Let's slow it down and do
What
some
do we think it
guesses.
is?
I think it's
I think this is more glue.
After you guess it, you can feel it.
Nope.
Well, you already guessed it. You have to do it.
Because I felt it.
Let's see.
Don't get the.
Oh no, it's glue, but it's the good glue. What's it called?
It's the yellow glitter glue.
It's a yellow glitter.
What does yellow and red make? Do you know what color yellow and red makes?
Orange.
Yeah, it makes orange. So we'll see if this will turn out orange, even though one's glue and one's like
Strawberry.
syrup.
Oh, it's kind of hard to get it out of here.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I've got to
I
cut
don't-
open the other finger.
Okay, guys. So next one, I'm going.
Wait, I want to pick.
You only
I
have
wanna pick one.
4 left. So there's still some nasty ones up in here. For sure. For sure.
Okay, I'm picking this one.
Ooh. Feel it.
I think
I think it's beads.
that's bees.
You think?
See, I'm a good picker.
Bees. Yep. I
Ooh.
can see it. Pink bees. Pink
Styrofoam.
bees. Pink bees.
It's some styrofoam.
I think pink bees. Yeah, white bees. White bees.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice and crunchy.
That was the one that I was feeling.
Yeah.
That was like, I want this one.
Do you think this slide's gonna turn out good or bad at the very end?
Good.
You think so?
Yeah.
You know you still have to pick 3 more though. What if you pick something bad to go in it?
I know which one I'm gonna pick next.
The crunchy was good though.
Yeah.
Alright, you think that's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, I know which one I'm
This
going
sounded
to
messy.
pick. Green one.
Ooh,
You're gonna feel it.
I think that's shaving cream.
Shaving cream, man. So now it's gonna be crunchy and fluffy.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Oh, look at that come out.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's enough.
Oh, that was fun coming out.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
I don't want that much.
That really kind of stresses out when making
I don't
slime.
want to. I don't
Okay.
want that much.
What's next, Beverly?
Oh, you only have 2 more. No. Yeah, 2 more.
2 more.
The last 2.
Don't pick the wrong one.
Let's get them a little bit
You
closer.
could ruin the whole thing just by choosing the wrong one.
Oh. You haven't picked an orange one yet. You haven't picked an orange glove yet.
Okay, I'm not picking that one.
You sure?
Not. Never.
I would pick that one. Because you know it's something.
That looks like brown. So that looks like chocolate.
Then go for the other one. That might be a little bit safer. Or go for this one.
Scared.
Come
I shouldn't
on.
go for
Which one would you guys choose? 1, 2, 3, or 4? They all look different.
Guys, I don't really know.
Just pick one. Go with your gut.
The other one, the red one, was good. I think. I don't know. Okay.
Blue. Oh, bad choice. I'm sorry, dude. I peed in that glove.
Gross.
Just kidding.
Okay, you guys ready?
I don't even know what's in this one, honestly.
I knew that this one was that. It's mustard. Oh, disgusting.
I don't really care. I like mustard.
Okay, so last round was bad.
Okay, that's okay though. That's okay. We could redeem ourselves and get
But-
Wait, we can mix it. We could probably mix
Yeah,
it.
it'll
would
mix
just smell
in.
like
Yeah.
mustard. That's all.
It'll just smell a little mustardy, but you
There's
still
not
have
too much.
one more glove.
Which one do you think? Maybe the fluffy one.
Fluffy one.
Doesn't look like it could be anything that bad.
Oh,
either.
it's
Okay.
Oh, it's beads.
Yes.
Okay,
that's
cut
good,
it
that's
open.
good. We did it.
Are you
I think
sure?
I think it's like cereal. I think it's cereal. I think it's like cereal or something.
What's in there?
Cereal.
Oh gosh. It's Cheetos.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, gonna will be really crunchy.
Oh, it's
Oh, that's so gross.
crunchy Cheetos, guys.
Oh, Cheetos.
your
want
last 2 picks were what I hoped that they were gonna be. Y'all got
She's
the
eating them.
oh, they're stale Cheetos.
Oh.
They're stale.
We'll put that one at the side.
So we got mustard,
Okay,
Okay, there you
Cheetos. Okay, so you gotta mix it together and then you gotta activate it.
Hang on.
So, what you didn't open, this is actual crunchy beads. So that would have been really good. And this is just blue glitter slime.
Oh, I knew that one was good.
So both of these were actually pretty
We
good.
got the 2 bad ones.
You,
then.
you got the 2 bad ones out of the 4, but that's gonna make it more fun.
That's okay.
So I'm excited to see how this turns out.
All right,
Alright,
stir.
5, 4, 3,
Wait, do we need to do this?
this is after you stir it all together.
2, 1.
I don't even know what color this is.
Oh, that mustard is.
That mustard is strong.
That's gross.
I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I don't. I'm gonna put some of this in it.
Yeah. Let's see if you can even
Only
turn.
do a little. Oh my gosh, Mom.
Do you think it's even gonna turn into slime?
Gentle, gentle.
It's not too bad.
Okay,
It just smells like mustard and strawberry syrup. Here, you're gonna need more of this for sure.
Yeah.
No, it's way too watery.
Well, whenever it's water, you need more activator.
I don't think
Anything?
so.
Is
No.
anything happening?
Not feeling anything yet.
That's because it's way too watery.
Oh, this is good slime. Look, it's turning to slime on the edges. You
Yeah.
see that? Ooh, this is good.
Ow.
I just bonked her in the face with it.
Ooh. Here, let's use a
Wow.
little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, if that doesn't do it, then
Told you, it's way too watery.
so this is your new
It's
slime.
water.
Oh, all right, guys. Well, that was a fail.
Well,
You guys help us out.
okay, so what ingredient do you think made it to where it didn't turn into slime?
The activator.
Well, no, the activator would make it turn into slime. What do you think made it like mess up?
I think my mom got way too activated. The first part.
I don't think so. I think you need. Oh look.
Oh, what was that? That was kind of slimy.
Uh-huh. I don't know. I think that was just one little chunk.
Yeah, huh. Well, I think it was either the strawberry syrup or the mustard.
I think it was the mustard and the Cheetos.
The mustard and the Cheetos.
Yep. Definitely the Cheetos.
This-
Cheetos made it watery.
There's some like slimy parts in it.
I'm just kidding. You guys, I'm just kidding.
You're just kidding. But
There's some slime in here.
hey, why don't you put your hands in it and see if like you can like mush it? You know, like get your hands in it and like mush it.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna redo this video again if you guys like it. Oh. Let us know what we could have done differently if you guys know what happened here, because we're not that great at this.
Does it feel like slime? No, what does it feel like?
Juicy.
Juicy?
Really juicy.
Okay, well, you guys
it's
comment
so
down below if you want us to ship you the slime and you can keep it because it's really good.
Well, thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.
Give this video a
Big thumbs up if you liked it. And it's a really
Oh,
gross.
this is so gross.
It's a really gross video.
All right, guys. Well, she posts once a week, and we'll see you
Okay.
next video.
Cool.
You want to do your peace out?
And peace out.
One.